My name is Naran Reddy. Welcome back to the channel. In this class I am explaining about calendar dates and days. Already you know how dates are appear in calendar. Actually, calendar containing two types of years, you know that. One is ordinary year, another one is leap year. Ordinary year containing 365 days and leap year containing 366 days. Okay. But there is some difference is there between these 2 years. What is the difference? Please see here. Suppose leap year not equal to ordinary year. Please remember this. Why? Because this leap year contains 2 odd days and ordinary year containing only 1 odd day. So 2 not equal to 1. Okay. But also some differences are there. Suppose January containing 31 days in ordinary year, 31 days in leap year, but February containing 28 days in ordinary year and 29 days in leap year. That is the difference between these 2 years. So here odd days are 2 and odd days 1 in ordinary year. Okay. But dates and days are not equal in these 2 years. That means what? Means, for example, take some year, some example, whatever it may be, 2001. This is ordinary year. Ordinary year. Take another year, 2004, which is leap year. Well, but these 2 years contains different dates and days. Different days and days. Days and dates. Okay. But main important point is only ordinary year equal to ordinary year. In some ordinary years, days and days are equal. In some leap years, days and dates are equal. This is most important point which are observed in calendar. Okay? So, suppose for example 2001 is a ordinary year, but same days and dates are available in other year after 2001, but after how many years it will be happened. That is most important point is what observed. Means what? Suppose 2001 is ordinary year, you know that. Why you are calling ordinary year 2001? Because it is not divided by 4. This is not divided by 4. But 2004 divided by 4. Divides by 4. That is why it is leap year. It is not leap year. Okay. So, ordinary year 2001 same as another year. That means 2002, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, etc. But which year? That you have to find in this class. Also, 2004 is a leap year. Which year? Same as 2004. After 2004 means 2005, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, etc. Which year? But one important part is what observed here. Any day, suppose 2001 January, 1st January something, such and such a day, Monday or Tuesday, whatever it is. But same day comes in leap year, but both are not equal. Already know, leap year not equals to ordinary year. This point is what observed. Remember carefully. So, ordinary year comes, only ordinary year day is matched both years. If this is ordinary year, 2001 is ordinary year, same day, date are matched in other ordinary year only, but not in leap year. That is point which I have observed here. In the same manner here also, 2004 is a leap year, same day, dates are not matched with 2001 ordinary year. So that is also as same as leap year. At that time only days and days are matched. So Here important point is ordinary year equal to ordinary year. Something. 2001, some other thing. Okay, how will you find that one? I will tell now. Leap year also equals to leap year. This point you have to observe carefully. Okay. See here. Ordinary year contains one odd day and leap year contains 2 odd days. Okay. Please remember this. Now calendar starts from 01/01/0001. That means that is Saturday. Calendar starts from 01/01/001. That is Saturday. Please remember this. This is starting date of the calendar. Saturday. Okay. Now, after ordinary what happened? After leap year what happened? Please remember this. Suppose 001 is ordinary year, you know that. That is Saturday. Sat. Same 2. That is 1st John. 1st John 001. Second Sun. Third month. Fourth Tuesday. Fifth Thursday. Why? Why? Because here 4 is a leap year. Why? Because 4 divides by 4. That is why that is leap year. You know that. So 2 odd days are there. That means Wednesday is leaving here. Comes Thursday. So 00 for 5th year comes Thursday. 1st John 5th year comes Thursday. Please remember this. This will comes under order and leap years, but this will comes under Jan and Feb. But after Feb, the different. I will tell that one. Same manner, 6th year comes Friday. 7 Sat. 8 Sun. 9 1, 2, 3, 4 years over. So again Monday blocked. Comes Tuesday. Monday didn't happen here because this is leap year. Leap year contains 2 odd days. Okay. This will be under John and Feb. John, Feb. Please remember this. John, Feb contains this order. That means after leap year you can leave it one day. After leap year 4, 8, 12 in that manner. But same manner, see here. 1st March 001 is Tuesday. Okay. These are all belongs to Indian calendar. Gregorian calendar is different from this one because Gregorian calendar starts from Monday. Gregorian calendar is different from this one because first starts on Monday in Gregorian calendar, but in Indian calendar starts from Saturday. That is the difference between these two calendars. Okay, but 1st March 1 is Tuesday. Same manner 2. 1st March 2 is Wednesday. 3 is Thursday. 4 is Saturday. Please remember this because this is leap year. But here after leap year we are living one day. But before when leap year comes we are adding one day. That is the difference between Jan, Feb and March to December. March to December. Please remember this. March to December we can add whenever leap year comes one day. Friday and Saturday. We are leaving Friday now. Friday itself here. Same manner, take 5, sun, 6, month, 7, cube. Again 8, Thursday. Because here we are leaving Wednesday. Because this is leap year. But here after leap year we are leaving one day. But before leap year we are leaving one day. That's the difference between Jan, Feb and March to December. This difference we have to observe carefully here. Okay? So same manner. 1st March for all the years. Okay? So these differences comes under March, April to December, up to December. These are obtained only in Jan and Feb. After leap year, we are living one day. This difference we have to observe carefully. Okay, now we can do some problem regarding these techniques, these tricks. Okay, which year comes the same calendar days and dates after 1906? Means after 1906, which year comes the same date and dates compared to 1906? Which year comes? Please hear. Here important point is to find this, two methods are there. One is general method, another one is shortcut method. So two methods. One is general, another one is shortcut or short trick. Okay? What is general? What is shortcut? Please see here. Suppose 1906 1st Jan, some days date is there. Same manner, suppose if you want to find this, take 1905 December 31st December 1905, because just 1906 is started now, 1st Jan, but 1905 is completed. Yes or not? That is why 31st December you have to take. Among these years, 1600 or leap years, because this divides by 400. You know, any century divides by 400, that is leap year. 100, 200, 300 not leap years. 400 is a leap year. Yes. After that, 5, 6, 7 are not leap years. 800 is a leap year. Why? Because 800 divides by 400. That is the important point which I have observed. Now 300, 1900 after 5. Okay. Now leap year, this is leap year. Yes or not? 0 odd days. And 300 is a ordinary year, that is 1 odd day. Simply, already I told in the last class, 100 days containing 5 days, 300 means 15 odd days, 15 by 7, 1 is remainder, that is 1 odd day, that's all. Plus, how many leap years are there in this one? 1 leap year. How many ordinary years remains are ordinary years? 4 are ordinary years. Here, this is 0, 1 odd day plus 1 into leap year containing 2 odd days plus 4 into ordinary year containing 1 odd day. This also can be done in another way. Suppose this one has 1 plus 5 means 1 plus how many remains? 4 means what? Here just you can write as 5, that's all. 1 plus 5 6, 4 plus 2 6, both are same. Why? Because 5 by 4 remainder as 1, that is 1 leap year, you know that. But simply write what is there is a digit or number in this place. For example, 44 years are there, how many leap, how many ordinary. Just I will write this as 44. That's all. Why? Because suppose 11 plus 33. 11 leap years and 33 odd years. 11 leap years means 11 into 2 odd days. 33 into 1. How many? 22 plus 33. How many? 55. It's nothing but 55. Both are same. Yes or not? So, just divide by 4. 11 comes. Write this number as it is. That's all. That is one way. Another way is 11 remains the order is how many? 33. Now 11 leap years contains 2 odd days, 22. 33 order years contains 1 odd day, 33 into 1, 33. 55. Okay? So both are same. Don't worry about that. Now 1 plus 2 plus 4, that is equals to 7. 7 by 7. 7 by 7. That means what? 0 remainder. That is, it implies 0 odd day. 0 odd day means Sunday. But what is the day? 31st December 1995 is Sunday. Therefore, 1906 is Monday. That's all. Okay? 1st John 1906 is Monday. Now, starting from Monday, you can count days. How to count that one? I will tell you. 1st John 1906 is Monday. Now already done. Same manner, 1907 Tuesday. This is John. John Feb. Additional day comes after leap year. Yes or not? 8. This is leap year. 9. Friday. Why? Because we are leaving Thursday. Why? This is leap year. That's all. 2010 Saturday. 11 Sun. 12 Month. Again leap year. Tuesday goes. Round of Tuesday comes Wednesday. 14 Thursday. 15 Friday. 16 Saturday. Again leap year this one. Sunday goes. 17 Monday. Please observe here. We want Monday. Monday also there here. But this is leap year. Don't take leap year. Why? Because already I told that one. So these two are same. That means 1st John 1906 equals to 1st John 1917. That means 1906 equals to 1917. These two calendars are equal. How to do this in shortcut? I will tell this. Okay? This is general method. This will take more time to do in complex exams. It is not possible. But understanding purpose, I am telling this one. Okay? So, this important point is to observe. Please practice this. This is general method. But it is not possible to do in competitive exams in general method. But we have to use shortcut method. But this is only for understanding purpose. A mentor always can do only 10% knowledge in mathematics. But 100% knowledge can be earned by practice, by taking so many examples. That is important point which you have observed each and every student and each and every learner. So, mentor can't do 100% satisfaction. Why? Because that person only, mentor can do only some examples, some tricks, but a student or learner can take so many examples by taking a number of examples. At that time only you can get full knowledge upon that subject. So please practice these problems again and again. You can get confident on that subject. Okay. Now take a short trick. What is a short trick? What short trick means? 4n plus 1, 4n plus 2, 4n plus 3. What is 4n? Plus 1, plus 2, plus 3. Please see here. 4n is nothing but leap year. For example, 2000 is a leap year. Why? Because it divides by 4. Same manner, 4n plus 1 is 2001, is order year. 4n plus 2, 2002, ordinary year. 4n plus 3, 2003, ordinary year. Again 4n plus 4, 2004 is a leap year. Goes to again this one. So didn't take this one, directly goes to this one. That means these three are ordinary years. After 3 ordinary years comes again leap year. That is rotation, routine. You know that. So these three are ordinary years. How to calculate these numbers? Please see here. This is after 28 years. Leap year comes after 28 years. Suppose 2000 is a leap year. Same dates regarding this 2000 years comes after 28 years, means 2028. So both the calendars are same, 2028. 4n plus 1 means we are adding 1. That means after 6 years comes same calendar. That means 2007. So 2001 calendar and 2007 calendars are same. That's all. 4n is leap year. That means example is 2000, 2004, 8, etc. So 2000 equals to 2028. Same manner, 4 in that one. 4n plus 1 means we are adding 1 year for leap year, 2001. That equals to 7. Because 6 years. Same manner, 4n plus 2, 4n plus 3. These two are same, 11 years. We are adding 11 for this one, 13. 11 for this one, 14. Okay. But 1906 comes under which category? Among these 4. Means divide by 4. 4 ja. 3 remains. 4 7 ja. 2 remains. 4 6 ja. What is remainder? That means 4n plus 2. So 1906 comes under category 4n plus 2. 4n plus 2 is nothing but 11 years. We are adding 1906 plus 11 years. That's all. This is the required answer. Simple. Okay. This is shortcut. So this type of shortcut you can use in competitive exams. Please remember this shortcut. It's nothing but leap year. Take an example 2012. This is a leap year now. After 28 years, this is a condition. This is short trick. That means what? 2012 equals to 2040. That's all. This shortcut according to this formula. But we want to do in general method. How to do? For example, 1st John 2012 is Sunday. This is leap year, you know. Yes or not? 4n. That is why we are leaving Monday. So 2013 is Tuesday. 1st John 2013 is Tuesday. Please remember this. Same manner, 14 is Wednesday. 15 is Thursday. 16 is Friday. Again this is leap year. We are leaving Saturday. Now 17 is Sunday. Okay? But here we have to observe one point. Sunday is there in 2012. 2017 also Sunday is there, but both are not equal. Already I told them. Because this is leap year, this is ordinary year. Both are not equal. In leap year and ordinary year, days and dates are not equal. Please remember this. So, one proceed. 18. 2018 Monday. In this way, you can do some more time. Again, 23 is Sunday, but which is ordinary year. Ordinary year, which is also ordinary year. So, comes 40 is Sunday. That is leap year. So, leap year, this is leap year. These are equal. So, you want to take only leap years. You want to take only ordinary years. You didn't take leap year equal to ordinary year. That is wrong. Okay? We want to take only 2 years. That means leap year and leap year. So, 2012 equals to 2040. In these years, days and dates are equal. Next one is 4n plus 1. 2012 plus 1 is nothing but 2013. 4n plus 1 means 2019. Yes. 2013 plus 6 years. 2019. So these two are equal. Simple. This is a trick, but we have to do in general way. How to do? 1st John 2013 is suppose Tuesday. Okay. Now 2014 is Wednesday. 15 Thursday. 16 Friday. Now this is leap year, so we want to leave Saturday. Yes. 17 Sunday. 18 Monday. We want Tuesday now. Yes. 19 is Tuesday simply. So these two are equal. That means what? 2013 equals to 2019. The days and dates are equal in these 2 years. That's all. Okay. 1994. That means 1992 plus 2. Yes. This is leap year. Plus 2. That means 4 and plus 2. Now, 1st John 1994 is Saturday. Same manner, 95 is Sunday. 96 is Monday. Now this is leap year. So Tuesday goes. 97 Wednesday comes. Yes or not? Because this is leap year. Leap year means 2 odd days. You want to live 1 day. That is Tuesday. 98 Thursday. Here, please observe here. We want Saturday now. Remaining numbers. But this Saturday comes only in ordinary year, but not in leap year. Yes or not? Why? Because 94 is ordinary year. Okay. 99 is Friday. 2000 is Saturday. But 2000 is leap year. Sunday goes. Yes. 2001 is Monday. Why? Because Sunday has gone. This is leap year. 2 Tuesday. Yes. Again 3 is Wednesday. 4 is Thursday. Now 2004 is a leap year. So again goes Friday. Yes. So Saturday comes. 6 Sunday. 7 Monday. 8 Tuesday. Again leap year. 1, 2, 3, 4. After every 4 years leap year comes. You know that. But 2008 is leap year. So 9 is Wednesday goes Thursday. Wednesday goes. Now please see here. 1994, 4 and plus 2. 11 years means 1994 plus 11 means 2005. 1994 Saturday, 2005 is Saturday, that's all. Please observe here. Satisfy the equation. Yes or not? Both are same, short trick and general method. But this is cumbersome. This is not possible to do in competitive exams. Please only use this short trick, that's all, within 1 second, that's all. Just remember this. 4 steps, that's all. 4 and plus 2 is nothing but this one, 11 years. You can add 11 years for this, that's all. Okay? In mathematics, an important point is there is no frontier for math, because this is infinite. Math containing infinite knowledge, there is no frontier. That is why whenever you can do the practice, more practice, you can get more knowledge in mathematics, that's all. Mathematics depends only on practice. Let us take now 4 and plus 3. 4 and plus 3 means 1996 is a leap year, and we are adding 3, 1999. Okay? Now 4 and plus 3 means how many years we add? 11 years. That means 1999 plus 11. That means 2010. So therefore 1999 equals to 2010. These 2 years are equal. In these 2 years, days and dates are equal. If you want, you can check by taking general method. That means how to take general method? 1st John 1999. Which day? Take and follow 2000 leap year. Take leave them 1 day, and 2001, 2, 3. In that way you can do up to 2010. You can get same day. What is the day on 1999 and 2010 are equal. If you want to do this 1st John 1999 is Friday. Okay? Do this 1st John 2010 is also Friday. So these two are equal. Okay? In this way you can do this problem in general method. But we can use shortcut method in public examinations or competitive exams. Depends upon marks for school students. But in competitive exams, mainly in SBI, CGL, some other group 2 or group 1, whatever it is, any competitive exam you can use shortcut, that's all. Simply these 4 steps, that's all. Okay guys, if you want to consider about the stuff in math, do the practice and take more examples, depends on these problems. Okay, these are very important, please remember, and do the problems in a very short period by using these tricks. Okay guys, my name is Narnreddy. I appreciate watching, should make every day awesome. Thank you for watching.